Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to talk about privacy. A lot of people are aware that wherever you go on the internet, you're being tracked via cookies, and there are lots of other different ways your computer can be tracked. And one way to avoid that is by getting a VPN service. And what is a VPN service? Well, a VPN service is a way to hide your IP address and your activity when you're on the internet. These are all VPN services that CNET has highly rated. One of them right here is NordVPN, and basically what happens is a company like NordVPN is going to have all these servers all around the world. They're going to have servers in Europe and Africa. They're going to have servers just literally all around the world. And when you want to surf the internet, if you want to do it in privacy, you would log into the NordVPN software, and it would connect your computer to one of their servers. And when it did that, then when you surfed somewhere, it would appear to anybody who was trying to track you that you were wherever the NordVPN server was. So if you're logging into a server in France, it looks to someone tracking you as if you are in France, logging into a different computer. And the way it does that is it actually takes your IP address and it masks it, and then it makes up an IP address, and it uses that IP address to surf the internet. And so any of these would be probably really good. NordVPN, Strong VPN, Private Internet Access, TorGuard, any of those would be fine. If you want to be anonymous on the internet, a VPN is a good thing to have, and they all run at a comparable prices. $10 a month. You get a discount generally if you buy for a year. This one's only $3 a month, but you have to give them $70 on the front end, and so on and so forth. Now, another way that you can up your privacy profile is by using an incognito browser. So right now we're in Chrome. So if I click right here on the three dots that are one on top of the other in the upper right hand corner, if I left click there once and then I open new incognito window, this basically opens a window where I can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. So if you're worried maybe about people getting on your computer and seeing where you went, then that is something to use. So like it says, Chrome won't save browsing history, cookies, and site data, information entered in forms, nothing. Um, your activity will still be visible to websites you visit, or your employer or school or your internet service provider, but that's why you would use a VPN. So here, if I go to NASA's website, right there, and so we're on NASA's website, and if I close it and then I look at the history, as you can see, there is no NASA in there. And not only does Chrome have that feature, but Firefox has it as well. If you click on the three lines right there, you can see new private window is the same thing. And so either way. Now another thing you can do to enhance your security profile is use DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is an extension. So if we go to more tools and extensions, you can see there it is. And if I Google DuckDuckGo, you'll see it right there. And then I can add DuckDuckGo to Chrome. And just all I got to do is click Add to Chrome, and it'll do its thing. And then I just make sure I say add the extension. And there it is. So basically, what DuckDuckGo is it's like an incognito browser. They don't save by default. They don't save your internet history, or put. They have a tracker blocker on there, so you're pretty secure when you're using that one from like ads following you around everywhere. We've all had that. We've all had that happen. So if I go to look up shoes, and I go to I don't know, Amazon on another browser like on Chrome or Firefox, the not the incognito versions of them, but the regular versions, Amazon would know that I went here looking for shoes. But DuckDuckGo doesn't. I guess they have a tracking blocker. So if I go to a different website, like I do another Google search for shoes, I'm not going to see a bunch of ads right here. That looks a lot different than Firefox or Chrome would. You would have a bunch of ads trying to advertise shoes. You have one ad right here that's Kohl's. They just paid to have that up here. Whenever anybody search for shoes, they're not specifically, targeting me. So those are things you can do to up your privacy game while surfing the internet. I hope that this was helpful. And if it was, please like and share this video. And if anybody needs computer repair in the Memphis area, please feel free to give me a ring, Bensman Home Computer Repair, at 901 830 4362. And as always, stay safe.